Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome to Lively Lifestyle. On this channel I share inspirationals based on godly principles, simple DIYs, baking tips and tutorials. And today you're welcome to my kitchen. I'll be showing you how to make homemade pizza. Yeah, my kids have asked me to make pizza for them, and I've been promising. So today is the day I am going to make pizza. So if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get updates whenever I post new videos. Stay tuned and keep watching. One thing about baking, cooking, is good to have your ingredients and stuff prepared down. To make pizza, you need the pizza dough, the sauce, and the topping. Making this pizza from scratch. Before I go ahead to make my dough, first of all marinate my chicken. So this is my chicken breast. So I'm making a chicken suya pizza. So all I'm going to do is to just season my chicken with the suya mix. I already added some spices to it. So next we prepare our dough, and we need our yeast. Okay. Oh, my yeast is already, so I'll just take out one sachet of yeast. To make our dough, we add 2 tablespoons of sugar into a cup, and we add our warm water. We add 120 ml of warm water. 120 ml of warm water. You stir, and to this you add your dry yeast. You need 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. So I'm going to sprinkle my yeast into it. Stir and set aside of flour. Plain flour. This is plain flour. I use all-purpose flour, but don't use self-raising flour. To this I'm going to add salt. Sprinkle with a little salt. So I'll just take this away. Just mix it all together. Make a well in the middle. So you can see my yeast is activated. Then I pour in the yeast. So if it's hard, you add a little more water and you get it. Olive oil, garlic kneading, the work surface, and keep kneading. I'm going to leave our dough to rise. I'm going to leave this one here to rise for about an hour to 40 minutes. I'll cover it right. So this is not a pizza pan, but it's one of the pan I'm going to be using for my pizza. Now this remaining one, I'm going to roll it out. Grab my rolling pin. Okay, to make our sauce, we need tomato paste and tomato puree. But you can get fresh tomatoes and fresh red bell pepper for your sauce. I'm going to boil this with some seasonings, some spices. Add whatever you want to your pizza sauce, it doesn't really matter. It's your choice. So I'm going to boil this. And while that is boiling, let's go to our chicken. So in our frying pan, I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil. So I'll allow it to heat up. You can grill this, you can grill your chicken. So once your chicken is ready, you just shred it, cut it into small pieces. So you can skip this step by buying already shredded chicken in the market. So now we are going to be preparing our toppings. So depending on the toppings you want to use, so yes, I said I'm making a chicken pizza, but I'm going to add some pepperoni. So I'll be adding some hot pepperoni. The girls like pepperoni, so I'm going to add it. Not much of it anyway. Not to forget our mozzarella cheese. So I'm adding that to as a topping. Now I'm preheating my oven and my pizza is almost set. So as you can see, the dough has risen, and I'll just take it out of the bowl now. Lie it down on the plain surface. divided into 2, but let's see, into 3. So I could just spread this out. This is my pan. I could just spread it out in the pan, but I want it to go round the pan. I want to smooth this shape, so I'm going to roll it out. So as I roll, I see air inside, so I'm going to place it in my pan. So to this, I'm going to add my pizza sauce. But before I add the pizza sauce, I'm just going to grease the top with some olive oil. So this is my ready-made pizza sauce. Add my sauce. I'm not going to add too much sauce, but I don't want it to be all soggy, so I'll just add. Now the next step is to add my toppings. So here we have batch 1 of pizza. Let's do the other batches. Okay, so this was the one I covered then. So I'm just going to press it down to take away the air bubbles. Batch 2. Wow, what have we got here? Homemade pizza. So pizza in the oven. Now our pizza is ready.